Setting up dual monitors with your ThinkPad dock starts with ensuring compatibility between your laptop and docking station. There are two main types of ThinkPad docking stations. The universal USB-C dock Gen 2 supports dual 4K displays, while the Thunderbolt 4 workstation dock offers the highest performance. The first step is connecting your docking station to your ThinkPad. Use the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable that came with your dock. Next, connect your monitors to the docking station. Most docks have multiple DisplayPort and HDMI ports on the back panel. Cable quality is crucial for reliable dual monitor performance. Use USB-C 3.1 or higher, or Thunderbolt 3 or 4 cables for optimal results. Ensure your docking station has adequate power supply. Most dual monitor setups require at least 65 watts for stable operation. Finally, install or update your Lenovo dock drivers for optimal performance. This ensures proper communication between your ThinkPad and the docking station. Once your monitors are physically connected, you need to configure your display settings. Windows offers two main display modes for dual monitor setups. Extended Desktop mode gives you one continuous workspace across both monitors. This is the most popular choice for productivity as it effectively doubles your screen real estate. Mirrored Display mode shows identical content on both screens. This is useful for presentations or when you want the same information visible on multiple displays. For optimal display quality, adjust the resolution and scaling for each monitor individually. Different monitor sizes may require different scaling percentages to maintain readable text. Now let's address common troubleshooting issues. If one monitor isn't detected, first check all cable connections and ensure both monitors are powered on. For resolution problems, update both your graphics drivers and monitor firmware. This ensures compatibility with the latest display standards and features. Performance issues often stem from insufficient cable bandwidth. Ensure your USB-C cable supports video transmission and has adequate bandwidth for your resolution requirements. For intermittent disconnections, try replacing your cables first, then update your dock's firmware. A stable power supply to the dock is also crucial for reliable operation.